But if you close your eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going up to the park. I'm going to be making a huge airplane and testing it out with my friend. I gotta hurry up before the sun sets because the sun, I don't want it to be dark. I'm riding my bike, but I don't want it to be too dark in this video, so halfway through, I might have to end it and come back tomorrow. My friend should already be here. I'm meeting up with him. He's gonna help me record it and everything. I have the stuff in my backpack. Let's see, where is he? He's right here. You ready to get this done? Huh?
You have the key? Or should I go get
I have the key.
I was gonna get my ball.
You can get your ball. Okay guys, wish me luck that it doesn't get too dark real fast. We are going to get this done. I was supposed to do this video a long time ago, but I got grounded the day before I did it, so I never got around to it. My friend, I will put a picture of his Instagram right here, right now. I want you to go follow him. He suggested this video. Without him, I don't think I would have, without him, I don't think I'd have the idea to do this video. So we're gonna get it going. I'm gonna go in the park and I'm gonna go sit down and wait for him. Alright guys, so basically right now in the video, I forgot to explain, but right now we are about to make the paper airplane. I didn't explain it then, so that's what we're doing right now. We are about to make this airplane, guys. Thank you. Let's get right back to the video. So I think we might do it like, tape it like this, grab it. And then we're gonna fold it. And they're gonna have some fun. And this will go up on Tuesday. His last video, the thumbtack one, did you see it yet? No? I uploaded that today. And Roger's in that one. You're gonna be in this one. Wow, this is actually working way better than I thought. Wow, it's working a lot better than I thought. I thought the tape was gonna prevent it from like folding because it's so thick. Yeah, can you grab the big tape?
Yay.
Okay, are you ready, David?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I folded it wrong.
Oh yeah.
Where'd my tape go? Oh god, it went all over here. Subscribe to my YouTube! Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you.
It's not very aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic. Okay, we're just gonna cut that out. Throw it too hard. You gotta throw it like a marshmallow inside of a toaster that's been cooking in there for like 10 minutes. You see? Very delicate. Very delicate. Here, we can throw it together. Nah. Or fix these. Yeah, they have to be down. Alright, there you go. Don't throw it too hard. Throw it like that. Alright. Let's go. There we go. Okay, you know what? Aerodynamics. You know, this really didn't work. You want to just toss it off of something, bro? Yo, hold on, get me doing this. When I did it, it was amazing.
You are my friend.
I honestly think it'd be good, but it's just this back part. So.
Just fuck the back part.
We are just gonna go. We are just gonna crumble it up, mess up our teeth a little bit, say never quit filming one time in your head, vote for Trump, and then go check out my last video where I did the, I just uploaded it today, how do I not remember? Blood Alert, the world's most dangerous toy gone wrong. You know, maybe it's the
Wrong kind of paper, that's why.
to work.
A smaller airplane?
No, dark.
Oh.
Due to the technical difficulties and the sun's going down, which means that it won't work because the sun's going down, plus you guys didn't like it. What I need you guys to do is like the video right now, and this is gonna work. And if it works, it should blast off in outer space in the magic school bus on a pony that shoots rainbows out of its nipples.
It was way more aerodynamic than the plane. I got you.
Than the plane.
Okay. It only works once when you guys like the video. Thank you for liking it.
Oh. You hit the camera.
Sorry, David, I love you. Alright, guys, thanks to my boy David the third. We have successfully done this video. Successfully. Without messing up. So I'm gonna put his Instagram link down below. Go check him out. He posts some really lit fire 100-degree knife videos. Right? What was the last one he did?
3,000 degree video.
3,000-degree knife versus iPhone? Okay. We can't use this because it's clickbait. And I'll get roasted at school. Okay. So, without him, we wouldn't have been able to do this, guys. I want to shoot my outro here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to explain it again. Guys, if you go down and we hit the like button and we get 10 likes on this video, we'll come back with construction paper, a lot of it, and make a giant one. And that one will guarantee work, or else you guys will comment down below in the first comment that says what to do. I'll do that. No matter what it is. So, guys, go down. Smash the like button. With your nipple. Dude, they're all gonna hate me. They're all gonna hate me because I lied about the 1,000-degree knife videos. David, do the honors. No, you did it wrong. Yeah, look, let me show you do it. You do it like this. Alright, thank you, David, for coming out here, man, and recording this video with me. It helped a lot, and I plan on having you more videos. All right? Say it with me. Never quit filming. You ready? On 3. 3, 2, 1. Never quit filming. Okay.
They probably think we're crazy.
Yep. Let's go. Okay, guys. So I was just riding my bike home, and the chain. Whatever happened to the chain, I don't know what happened. So I basically have to pick my bike up and carry it home, guys. I'll fix it when I get home. Just wanted to update you guys and let you know that. Bye. And remember, never quit filming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.